We need to remove this cover. You need to take these push retainers out. I'm going to use a trim tool, and there's 9 of them. So just go in behind here, pop these out. With those all out, you can just take this panel, slide it up, off of there, and then just slide it out of your way. Now I'm just going to remove the washer hose, and actually that happens a lot. These break, so a piece of it broke in there, so I'll just have to remove that. I'm just going to take a pick, just try to get underneath there, just try to grab that piece, or break it, and then slide it up. There we go. A lot of times these just crumble. Now I'm going to take some needle nose pliers and just squeeze these little tabs. And then you should be able to grab it from the other side and pull it up. Now take the new washer nozzle, and from the front, just slide it in and lock it in place. Then you can take the hose and reposition that. Take this panel, slide it back in position, and latch it down here. Yeah, that's good. Then you can take these push pins, push retainers, and line those up.